The history of computers spans several centuries, evolving through distinct phases. Here's an overview. Abacus, circa 2500 BCE, was the earliest known tool for computation, used for basic arithmetic. Mechanical calculators in the 1600s to 1700s saw innovations such as Blaise Pascal's Pascaline in 1642, a mechanical adding machine. Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz developed the Leibniz wheel in 1673 for multiplication and division. Charles Babbage, who lived from 1791 to 1871, designed the difference engine to automate polynomial calculations. Later, he conceived the analytical engine in 1837, which had key features of modern computers: a memory, a processor, and input-output. Ada Lovelace, from 1815 to 1852, is recognized as the first computer programmer for writing algorithms for the analytical engine. Tabulating machines were developed by Herman Hollerith, who created punch card systems in the late 1800s, which were used in the 1890 US Census. His company later became part of IBM. The Zuse Z3, built by Konrad Zuse in 1941, was the first programmable digital computer. ENIAC, developed in 1945 by John Mauchly and J. Presper Eckert, was the first general-purpose electronic digital computer. Then in 1951, UNIVAC emerged as the first commercial computer for business applications. These pioneering machines used vacuum tubes for circuitry and punched cards for input and output. Transistors replaced vacuum tubes, making computers smaller, faster, and more reliable. Early programming languages like COBOL and Fortran emerged during this period. Integrated circuits, or ICs, allowed for even smaller and more efficient computers. This era saw the rise of mini-computers and the beginning of user-friendly interfaces. Microprocessors such as Intel's 4004, introduced in 1971, revolutionized computing by integrating the central processing unit, or CPU, on a single chip. Personal computers, or PCs, became prominent in the 1970s and 80s, with models like the Apple II in 1977, the IBM PC in 1981, and the Macintosh in 1984. Software like Microsoft Windows and applications for the general public became widespread. Artificial intelligence, often known as AI, enables computers to perform complex tasks, from natural language processing to advanced robotics. Quantum computing explores using quantum mechanics to perform computations far faster than classical computers. Mobile and cloud computing have developed, bringing smartphones, tablets, and cloud services into the forefront, making computing ubiquitous. The future includes advances in AI, edge computing, biocomputing, and more efficient quantum systems. The goal is to make computing faster, more sustainable, and more deeply integrated into our daily lives.